So guys, on this video today, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can use to make money online. Only what you just need to do is to watch this video from the beginning to the end. And one thing I want from you is for you to leave me a comment if you have any question in mind, and you should like this video, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let us head over to the first website. This is the first website, which is called Prizerebel. So what Prizerebel is doing is that it's allowing you to take tasks online and you get paid. Look at what they are saying here. Take a free paid service, redeem for free paper cash, Bitcoin and gift cards. That is how it works. You can participate in online tasks and make money in return. What are the type of online tasks that you can participate on? Is like downloading applications, taking surveys, watching videos, following a particular review, giving your opinion about a product or service, and you can get paid by doing that. The first thing you need is to sign up. Signing up on this program is 100% free, like what they are saying on their website page. Signing up is 100% free. Once you have signed up, the next thing you have to do here is to earn point. You can earn point by giving a short opinion about a particular service, and you are going to get paid. That is how it works. And let us say you have a minimum amount of $1 on your account. You can cash the money out into your paper account, or you can convert it into Bitcoin or any other gift card that you want to redeem your money into. So that is how it works, which is the next part. On this session, you can see choose from paper, gift card, Bitcoin or gift card. So the first thing, like I'm recommending you to do, is to sign up on this program. Once you have signed up, start completing tasks, and you are going to get paid by doing that. And another way that you can earn money with this website is the referral program. So you can make money by referring people to this program. So once you come down, you see under the area where it said company. If I click on the area where it said affiliate program, it's going to bring us back to this page, and you are going to see how you can make money with the referral program. So if you refer anyone to this program, you are going to be making money. That is how it works. So, and this website is available in almost all countries worldwide. So just join this program, refer people, participate in tasks, and make money with it. So that is how it works. Let me just log into my own account and show you a little bit around this website, which is called Prizerebel. And as you can see, I've just signed me into my own account, and here you'll be seeing your daily challenge if you want to participate in the daily challenge. And each daily challenge that you entered, you are going to earn points. So that is what you will find on the sidebar here, and you'll be seeing the people that redeem your gift card last. And at the bottom here, you can see that you can set up a reward goal if you want to set a particular goal. And everything that you can see on the screen here are surveys that you can participate and earn money from. So all these are surveys that you can participate on and make money from them. That is what you will find once you land on those websites here. And at the top here, you will find all the menu tab, which is reward, history, testimony, and submit testimony if you want to submit a testimony about this website, which is called Prizerebel. And under the area where it said N, if I click on N here, you see N at the bottom, you see surveys. So when I click on surveys here, it's going to show us a lot of other websites that is going to allow us to take surveys and get paid in return. And under the bottom of the menu, you will see other websites that you can go and participate surveys on, maybe like downloading applications, watching videos, doing a lot of other things, and you are going to earn money by doing that. Like I told you in the beginning, if you click on this area, you will see that you can refer people to this website, which is called Prizerebel, and earn money by doing that. So that is how you can make money with this website, which is called Prizerebel, guys. So you can go try this website out and let me know what you think in the comment section. Like what I told you, once you click on reward and I click on rewards here, it's going to show us multiple ways that we can use to redeem our money. You can see PayPal and every other gift card that you feel like you want to use to redeem your money. So they have a lot of gift card here that you can choose from if you have a minimum amount of cashing out. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here, guys. So the second way that you can use to make money online, which is similar like this website that you can see on the screen, which is Prizerebel, is grabpoints. So as you can see, guys, this is grabpoints on the screen. And once you land, this is how the page look like. And you work in the same way just like Prizerebel. So what you need to do is to join this program, start participating in online surveys, and get paid in return. So what they do is similar, just like Prizerebel. Why I'm showing these two websites, in case Prizerebel is not available in your country, you can use this website which is called grabpoints, because grabpoint is a website that is working worldwide, so you can go and try it out. So the first thing you need to do on grabpoint is to create your account. Once you are done creating your account, you have verified your own account, you just need to start participating in online tasks and you are going to make money. What you can do here is the same thing, just like Prizerebel. Like what I'm saying, you can watch videos, downloading applications, completing online tasks, reviewing product or service, and you are going to get paid by doing that. You can see that you can watch videos on those websites and make good amount of money from grabpoint. Like I'm saying, you can earn money on this website. So, and how you can cash out your money is through PayPal with this website that you can see here. So once you scroll down here, you find how you can redeem your money. Amazon, you can see every other way that you can use to redeem your money, either by gift card, if you want it in PayPal, if you want it in every other payment method, you are going to see them on those websites once you have the minimum amount of cashing out. So that is what I want to let you know that concerns this website, which is called grabpoint. So if you click on survey at the top here, it's going to show us surveys, the type of survey that we can complete. You can see this survey is $2, $2, $1, $2. So it keeps on going and so on and so on. Survey of 2 to 10 minutes, you are going to be making $1, and it's not a lot of money you can make, but at least for you to just be wasting your time watching videos on YouTube and on TikTok or on Snapchat, you can stay on those websites and use that time to make money. At least it will be a free money, but you are not wasting your data for the thing that is not going to fetch you something in return. As long as you can make money from it, that is what is important. So that is it. Go right now, sign up your own account and start using this website, which is called grabpoint, to make money online. So when I click on rewards here, you'll find the ways that you can use to redeem your money. Like I told you, you can see a lot of gift card here. You can see PayPal, Zalando, and a lot of gift card that you can find here. Depending on the country where you are, that is going to determine the type of gift card that is available in that country. So if you live in US, you might find a lot of gift card available. If you live in Europe, you might find lesser gift card available for you to redeem your money. But the most important one and the most useful one that I prefer is PayPal and Visa or Amazon. So that is the three redeeming method that I use usually. So what you need to do is to go and sign up on this program, start participating in tasks, and start using them to make free money online. Let me show you the last way that you can use to make money online today. So this is the last way that you can use to make money from anywhere you are in the world. So for this one, it works worldwide. It doesn't matter the country where you are. Only what you just need to do is to know how to drive traffic to a particular page, and you are going to make money by doing this. This is called affiliate marketing. What you are doing is that you are promoting other companies' products, and if anyone purchases the product, you are going to be making money. That is how affiliate marketing works. So this website, which is called Temu, they have their own e-commerce platform, which is called Temu. Everybody know that they are using to order things or buy things online. So what you can do now on Temu is that you can make money now from Temu. You are not just going to be buying product on Temu, but you are going to be making money. So how it works is that you join Temu affiliate program. Temu is going to give you a particular unique link, and once you take this your unique link, you start sending this your link out to your friends on social media, or you spread it out on social media, or you market this link, you share it to your friends and family, and they click on it, they purchase things on Temu, or they download the Temu application. You are going to make money. You can see that your first commission is 100%. You are going to get the money into your Temu account, and you can cash it into your bank account later if you want. So that is how you can make money with this website, which is called Temu. The first thing you need to do is to join this Temu affiliate program, and once you have joined, the next thing you are going to wait for them to approve you. Once they approve you, then you can now start participating in affiliate marketing programs, and that they have promoting their product, their exclusive product, their best-selling product, their top product. As long as you are able to drive traffic to them and people are buying from your own affiliate link, you are going to be making money. What is good here, you can see high commission in return. You can see that, and by promoting Temu, you will earn up to 10 to 30% commission from anyone that download and purchase product from this website, which is called Temu. So that is one thing that I want to let you know here. This is a way that you can use to make big money online. If you are using this method, you are going to be making good amount of money online. So it just depends on you now to decide if you want to go and start using this website to start making money by promoting their product and service that they have on their website. So what you need to do first thing is to go and create your free website. So I made a video where I shared how you can make money with affiliate program and how you can create your free website. So I have that video. If you want me to show you that video, I want you to just send me a message, or you can just leave me a comment in the comment section. Just say send me a video about affiliate, and I will send you the video on how you can create your free website, and you can decide if you want to start sharing your affiliate link on that your website. If you want, is the best way. So it's the best way to promote affiliate products, because some website might block you when you are sharing affiliate website on their platform, like Facebook and every other social media platform. They might block you when you are sharing some link that is corresponding to, or that's linked to anything affiliate. They don't want to see anything like that. But if you want to do it in the right way, first is to have a lot of followers on your platform and promote a particular product, link the product link, and if anyone purchases the product, you are going to get a commission by doing that. So that is how it works, guys. I'm just giving you a free way that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link. And the second way that you can use to drive traffic to your affiliate link is to use Quora. Quora is a platform where people ask questions about the best products, the best tools to use, the best book to read. So all these are things that you can find on Quora. And if you're able to reply their question, or you're able to reply the question of those people that want answers, they might click on your affiliate link and purchase the product because you answered their question correctly, and you are going to make money by doing that. And anyone that use your link to join Temu, you are going to start making money from that person every single month, depending on the agreement or the plan or the contract you have with Temu. So that is everything I want to talk about on this video, guys. I will say thank you very much. Don't forget to like, share, and leave me a comment about what you think about this video in the comment section, guys. And don't forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I am Rigos Power, and you can join me on Telegram. So I am available now on Telegram. You can join on my channel and be getting every daily post that I'm placing on that particular place. So I will not be able to be posting every time on YouTube. So because of that, I have a channel now on Telegram where I post my daily activities and how I am making money every single day. So go right now and join my Telegram channel. So guys, I will see you on my next upcoming video, a way on how you can make money online. If you want to make money with affiliate program, you can watch this video that is going to pop up right now. I will see you on my next upcoming video, guys. Peace.